So let me leave you with a fabulous little exercise that'll get you started. I call it dreaming. Really, I don't call it anything. But what we want to do is get you in the habit of thinking about reverse engineering what you want. So I want you to sit on your couch. Even if you have to move a pile of stuff to make it happen, just scooch the stuff over, sit down on your couch, let's say in your living room, because that's where couches usually are. And I want you to take a glance around and then take a deep breath and close your eyes. I want you to begin to imagine what activities you would like to participate in this space. If we are using the living room as the example, imagine watching TV, reading a book, playing a game. What other things do you like to do in your living room? Conversations with friends? Just think about the activities for a second. And then think about how you would like to feel when you do those activities. Okay, now, a few of us are going to have a hard time imagining things in visuals or imagining the future at all. If that's you, it's okay. It comes with some practice, but the way around it is to imagine or to borrow someone else's reality. So a description from a book, a picture in a magazine, a TV show scene where there's a living room you admire. Just pick one of those and start to put yourself into that space. What are you doing? What things do you need to do the thing you're doing? And how does it make you feel? Sit there for a second and feel those things. Now, take another breath and then open your eyes. Start glancing around your room. Don't get up. Don't start throwing things away. Don't start feeling bad. We are just sitting here observing what is in the room that might be in the way of what you just imagined. Are there piles of paper in the corner? Are there toys scattered about? Are there old hobbies taking up a bunch of space? Are there old packaging and food left out, snacks that don't get put away? Start thinking about what you can remove from the space that'll help you create a more nurturing environment in that space. That's all you got to do. You did it. You're good. Now, every time you come into the living room, you might notice one more thing that could possibly go. You don't have to do it yet. Just begin thinking about all the things that might be in your way. You can repeat this process in every room of the house. And then we'd move on to the next step.